Hello, what's up guys? This is Naveed from Technical Pro. So today is my new video, and guys, I'm gonna show you today how to set up VPN extension. This video gonna be very exciting guys, so please watching my video and let's go for it. Okay guys, today's topic, what is VPN extension, and we will set up VPN extension on your browser. So if you talk about for VPN extension, so you end up unable to access website or service, a Chrome extension VPN add-on is one of the ways you can regain control over your online activity. It allows you to hide your IP address and replace it one provided by our virtual private network. It means that, let's suppose you install add-on on VPN extension for any browser like Chrome, Firefox, and like Mozilla, every browser. So you just install it, right? So it is your virtual private network. So your IP is hiding, your activity is hiding for a VPN. Nobody can find you that where you located. Like, let's suppose you're enter a website, okay, so you just put on it like yahoo.com or different website, so your proxy is different. Okay, so now we are start with the practical. So first now I'm gonna tell you the best site of VPN extension is ZenMate.com. Like, is ZenMate, the website is ZenMate, okay, is the best VPN ever. I personally recommend it for that VPN, ZenMate. Okay, so you have to just add on Chrome, just press add extension and just wait a few seconds, a while. Okay, now your VPN, install it, and you have to check there. You can see there is a ZenMate box, and just click on it. Is a tour. Okay, so this, you can see there, it's countries. You can you can see it. That's a country. You can connect each of anyone. Like, let's suppose I'm connect with Germany, so I just connect it. Now see, your VPN is connected. It's quite simple. Add-on on browser, so you can add on like Firefox, anyone you have like Internet Explorer, so easily you can install it for VPN extension. So guys, it's very quite simple. So you can use any website, like let's suppose some website is blocked, so you can usually of this VPN ZenMate is very helpful to you access for blocked websites. It could be any websites. Okay, so you just use it. This is a wonderful service, high speed quality, and I don't have words to explain. This is a top one VPN in this website, right? ZenMate is a wonderful quality. So I hope you like my video. So that's my request to you, because this is my new channel. So please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. So I will make a good video in future, so please give me a full support, right? So thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.